Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you that WhatsApp officially launch fingerprint locks in WhatsApp. So how to set up fingerprint lock in WhatsApp. So let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, now you can go to your WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp. If it's not show fingerprints option in WhatsApp, then you can try a beta version. This feature only available in beta version, so you can download or install a beta version. If you're not a beta version tester, the beta version also available into the video description. You can simply click on a link available into the video description, and you can download and install a WhatsApp beta version. So now you can see that a WhatsApp locks is a fingerprints lock. So now you can open it. So how to set a fingerprint lock in WhatsApp? Now you can go to your click on these three dots and go to your settings. So after go to your settings, now click on first option is accounts, and click on accounts and go to your privacy. Now after privacy, that scroll down and you can see that last option is a fingerprint lock. Now open it and simply click on enable it. Now after doing this, fingerprint locks is unable, and you can also click on these enable this feature, the show content in notification on the notification bar. This feature only available in beta version, so you can download the beta version. Links also be available into the video description. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.